Hello ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. This is your instructor Andreas. Now we continue with the video 3, lesson 3. As we talked about before, we were able to network configuration of both Windows servers 2008 and 2012. I'll show you 2008 before, all the settings and setup from the virtual machines of the 2008 server. The similar configuration, the same thing I did on 2012, as you can see in here. I set up the computer name, I left a work group, and I set up the, remember I left the installation updates not installed for teaching purposes. I don't need to install updates. You can do installation of updates, it's automatically, you can set them automatically and it's okay. The time zone, the name of the computer, and as the most important is your Ethernet card. Your Ethernet is for server installation. The networking configuration will be left with a static IP address on both servers. Static IP address. So I configure the properties of the actual computer on both 2008 and 2012 server, including, you can actually see right here the Windows XP, also the client. I configured the networking too, and including the account name, the username, and the password. Remember to put both passwords. Each time it's good that each time you're after installation and the configuration of your Windows, create a username and the password for that user, and leave one user as the regular account, and the other one leave it as an administrative. It's called a local account. It is called local account. It's the same thing as a regular user, and on both servers, one of each, one administration and one as regular or the local account. Okay, and also I created same thing for Windows XP. For the purpose of client, I'm going to teach you of Windows XP how to join the domain to both of them. And like I said, networking configuration, they're both going to be static IP address on 2008 and 2012. On the XP, on the client machine, basically you can leave your IP address as it is. You can, I'm going to show you. So base computer network places, so control panel, a network and internet connection, network connection, you can see here, and on a local area connection 4, just click properties. I basically use a static DNS IP address, because on a client you make sure that you put your DNS IP, the static IP address of the servers of one server as your as the DNS in your client machine. This way, the client machine in this lesson, I'm using XP Pro Professional. XP Home Edition is not going to join the domains. It's not going to join the domain. But in this purpose, so like I say, use DNS server addresses. So basically, I use both addresses. One is 2000 server 8, and the other address is 2000 server 12. Okay, okay. So basically, I'm gonna show you right here on the command prompt is ping 192.168.1 112. Is that 112? Let's see. IP config Yeah, it is 112. Okay. Oh, yeah, never mind. I left the third octet missing. So 1 dot 1 and oh, okay. Let's clean 1.112. Now you can see that I ping from the 2008 server to the client, and then vice versa, ping 192.168.1 let's see, what's the IP address of here? 105. Okay, 105. It's still pinging. See, it shows that you ping it. Vice versa, from the XP to the server, from server to the XP. By pinging on a both situation, it shows that you set up your network connection properly. Also in 2012, for example, 2012, I go search apps CMD again, ping, so you can see it, 192.168.1.1112. It's pinging 0 loss. It means that it's even a Windows Server 2012 pings the XP. I can ping the other server too. Ping 192.168.1.105. There you go. Ping command prompt is a command prompt that analyzes your network connectivity of your actual PC. It shows that how well that your computer networkingly is functioning. Okay, now this is showing that it's done well. I'm gonna close the video and we'll continue to the next video, lesson 4. Lesson 4, I'm gonna show you guys how to set up the role, add the roles, set up the roles, and add the client, join the client to a domain on the both. Okay, see you on the next video. Hopefully you have a good day. Bye. See you to the next video.